2026, if your phone isn't making you money, it's quietly stealing your future. You feel busy, but busy isn't progress. You're consuming, not earning. And every day you delay, someone younger replaces you. Let's get uncomfortable. You already know freelancing exists. That's not the opportunity. The lie is thinking generic skills pay. In 2026, generalists starve. Specialists get paid. One clear skill, one clear outcome, one clear audience. Here's the story. A 19-year-old learned short-form video editing. Not editing. Editing for real estate agents only. Same software, same laptop, different positioning. He charged 10 times more in 90 days. Pause the video for 3 seconds. Ask yourself honestly, what specific problem can you solve better than average? If you can't answer, that's the real problem. And here's what no one tells you. You think you need confidence, you think you need charisma. Wrong. You need distribution, faceless YouTube, niche TikTok, automated shorts. In 2026, attention is rented, ownership is everything. One video can work while you sleep, one post can sell without permission. But this is where it gets dangerous. Most creators chase views. Smart ones build funnels. Views without direction waste years, and that leads to the next level. Not courses, not ebooks nobody finishes. Simple tools, templates, systems. Someone is already searching for a shortcut, you understand. Budget planners, AI prompts, study systems, business checklists, no inventory, no shipping, no excuses. But be honest, are you building assets or just watching others do it? Because this is where most people quit. AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. The mistake is using AI like a toy. The win is using it like a weapon. Script writing, thumbnail testing, client outreach, research, AI multiplies output, but only if you direct it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If AI can fully replace what you do, you never had leverage, and this is where the pressure spikes. Forget hype. Follow pain. Businesses still need leads, automation, online presence, customer follow-up, simple services, high value, recurring income. One client can beat 100 random views, but here's the line, most avoid crossing. You now know what works in 2026. Not theories, not fantasies. Execution is the divider. Tonight you'll do one of two things, scroll, or build, consume, or compound. No one is coming to save you. No algorithm owes you reach. No year magically fixes hesitation. So here's the real question. Are you the type who watches this, or the type who acts before it's too late? Because 2026 will expose the difference.